Very good morning, students. Saira, welcome back to our science period. Children, this session I am going to continue this chapter, that is chapter number 16, heredity and variation. Okay, so can you say, children, this lesson what we discussed? We discussed many things, that is what is meant by genetics, what is meant by heredity, Mendel's monohybrid, dihybrid, what is meant by chromosomes, what is meant by DNA. Next one is RNA and types of RNA, types of chromosomes. These all things we discussed. But can you say last session what we discussed? Yes, we discussed about genetic disorders. Okay, so now I am going to continue about this genetic disorders. Say here what is meant by genetic disorders already I discussed, isn't it, children? So diseases are disorders occurring due to abnormalities in chromosomes. Okay, abnormalities in chromosomes and mutation in genes are called what? Genetic disorders. There are how many types of hereditary disorders? Yes, four types. It is classified into four groups, that is chromosomal disorders, monogenic disorders, polygenic disorders, mitochondrial disorders. Okay, so last session I have started this one, that is chromosomal disorders. So in your textbook there are three examples are there. First example that already we discussed. Can you say what is the disease name? Yes, Down syndrome, isn't it? See here, disorders due to chromosomal abnormalities. So that is Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome. Okay, this one already we discussed. Yes, here this is what that this disease is occurred. Yes, that is chromosomal abnormalities. Okay, now I will discuss about Turner syndrome and Klinefelter syndrome. What is meant by Turner syndrome? See here, we will see one by one. First one is what? Turner syndrome. So that is how it is occurring. Monosome of X chromosomes. Okay, monosome means, mono means what? Is single. That is normally two copies are there in chromosome. Okay, that 23 pairs of chromosomes, that is 46 chromosome are 23 pairs of chromosomes are present inside of our nucleus. So children, can you say where is the chromosomes? Yes, chromosomes are present inside the nucleus. Can you say where is nucleus? Nucleus is present in our cell. Our body is made up of cell. So each and every cell, that is 46 are 23 pairs of chromosomes. Okay. So normally two copies of chromosomes are there. So here that monosome means what? Instead of that two copy, here only one single copy of X chromosome is there. So our body is made up of 23, that is nucleus is made up of what? 23 pair of chromosome. Here 22 pair plus 1 pair. That means this is what? Autosomes, and this is what? Allosomes, isn't it? That is one pair of 6 chromosomes. So here one pair of 6 chromosomes are there in each and every human being, isn't it, children? So here that abnormalities are there. Okay, that is what? Turner syndrome. So this Turner syndrome, see here, as with autosomes, abnormalities in 6 chromosomes. Abnormalities in 6 chromosomes also cause some disorders. Okay, this is occurred in mostly women. Understood, children? So children, see here, Turner syndrome, that means 44 plus X. Okay, normally in the day in women, that is 44 plus XX. Okay, but instead of this 2X, here only 1X is there in Turner syndrome people. So Turner syndrome, that is 44 plus X, arises due to either inheritance of only one X chromosome, okay, instead of two X chromosome from parents, or due to inactivation of the gender related part of X chromosomes. Understood, children? So this is normal, but here 44 plus X, that is what? Turner syndrome affected people. Okay. So next one is, Instead of the normal 44 plus XX condition, women suffering from Turner syndrome show a 44 plus X condition. Okay, so here abnormality in allosome, that is sex chromosomes. Okay, this one is occurred in only in women. Understood, children? Such women are sterile. Such women are, so what is the, see here children, so such women are sterile, that means unable to have children due to improper growth of the reproductive organs. So those who are affected by this Turner syndrome, they can't give normal birth. Okay children, so that is can't fertilize. That affected people can't fertilize normally, because that unable to have children due to improper growth of the reproductive organs. So this is the symptoms of this Turner syndrome. Next one is, I hope you understood this one. Yes, monosomy in X chromosome, that is 44 plus X is there instead of 44 plus XX. Next one is what? Klinefelter syndrome. Here see what is the chromosome here arrangement, that is 44 plus XXY. So this is affected mostly that men. Okay, that men are affected by this Klinefelter syndrome. Okay children, here 44, that is what? Autosome. And this is what, instead of that XY, they are having this XXY. Understood now? So here one X is extra, one X chromosome is extra instead of XY. But in Turner syndrome, one X is less. That is, instead of XX, there which one was there? X. Here, abnormalities in sex chromosomes causes this disorder in men. Men suffering from this disorder have one extra X chromosomes, and so their chromosomal condition becomes 44 plus XXY. Okay. Understood children? So those who are affected by this Klinefelter syndrome, their chromosomal condition is what? 44 plus XXY. That means one extra X chromosome is there in their body. Understood now? Next one is, what is the symptoms of this Klinefelter syndrome? Such men are expected to be sexually sterile as their reproductive organs are not well developed. Why the reproductive organs? Because that is which chromosome? Sex chromosomes are affected. Isn't it children? So I hope you understood what is meant by chromosomal abnormalities and which diseases are occurred by these chromosomal abnormalities. First one is what? Down syndrome. Next one is Down syndrome. What is the chromosomal arrangement? Next one is what? Turner syndrome. Here what is the chromosomal arrangement? And third one is what? Can you say? Klinefelter syndrome. Okay, Klinefelter syndrome occurred in what? Is occurred in, yes, men. Okay, and Turner syndrome, that is affected, that women are affected by Turner syndrome. Okay children, I hope you understood this one. Shall I go to next one now? So children, see here in your textbook one box is there, that is National Health Mission. Under the National Health Mission, the National Rural Health Mission has been started since April 2005 and the National Urban Health Mission since 2013. Okay, what is the main objective of this National Health Mission? See here. The main objectives of the National Health Mission is to strengthen the health facilities of rural and urban areas. Okay, control various diseases. Yes, first one is what? Strengthen the health facilities of rural and urban areas. Next one is control various diseases and illness. Increase public awareness. Okay, to give public awareness about health and other financial assistance, and offer financial assistance to patients to several schemes. Understood children? These are the main objectives of National Health Mission. Okay, next one is what? Yes, this is another one, that is monogenic disorders. So that genetic disorders by chromosomal abnormalities that we discussed. Next one is what? Monogenic disorders. Okay, second one. So monogenic disorders are diseases caused as a result of mutation in any single gene. Mutation in any single gene into a defective arm. Mutation means what? That alter, changing the structure of gene. Okay, already you know that structure of gene, that is a DNA. DNA structure you know, isn't it? The segment of DNA, that is what? A gene. So many that genes are in a chain like form. So see here children, arrangement, structure of gene, any alteration is there, any changes are there, it leads to genetic disorder. Okay, that is what monogenic disorders. See here, once again I'll read here. Monogenic disorders are diseases caused as a result of mutation in any single gene into a defective arm. Currently, we know of approximately 4,000 different disorders of this type. Just imagine how many different type of disorders. Yes, currently we know 4,000 genetic disorders of this type. Okay, that is monogenic disorders. See here. Yes, as a result of the abnormal genes, their products are either manufactured in insufficient quantities or not at all, leading to abnormal metabolism that may cause death at a tender age. So children, did you understand this one? See here, one second I'll read here. As a result of the abnormal genes, the products are either manufactured in insufficient quantities or not at all. Because of that, what will happen? Leading to abnormal metabolism. Abnormal metabolism that may cause death at a tender age. So the genes are producing which material? Do you know? So genes are having that important information about protein synthesis. That is one of the important thing in our body. Okay, so that products are either manufactured in insufficient. If any alteration, abnormal situation is there in genes, what will happen? There is a problem to make the protein synthesis. And that's only here I explained here. Their products are products of genes means what? Information about protein synthesis. Okay, so that important molecules are produced with the help of the genes in our body, that is called what? Proteins. So their products are either manufactured in insufficient quantities or not at all, leading to abnormal metabolism that may cause what? Death at a tender age. Next one is here. Yes, some examples are there that genetic disorders are given here. See here I have given some examples of genetic, that is monogenic disorders. First one is, see here. See here children, examples of such disorders are galactosemia, Hutchinson's diseases. Next one is what? Phenylketonuria, Tay-Sachs diseases, albinism, cystic fibrosis, hemophilia, night blindness, sickle cell anemia and more. Okay, some examples are there in your textbook. See here, first one is what? Galactosemia means that is this disease is affected by, so that people can't produce that energy from our body. Okay, can't produce energy from the sugar. So next one is what? Hutchinson's diseases. So children, see here, next one is what? Hutchinson's diseases. That is what? This is one of the genetic disorder. And here progressive, here what will happen? Progressive disorder, breakdown of nerve cells in the brain. Okay, and the next one is what? Phenylketonuria. That means that buildup of one particular amino acid in our cell. Okay, that is what? Phenylalanine. Next one is Tay-Sachs diseases, albinism. I will tell you what is meant by albinism later. Okay, and cystic fibrosis, it affected our lungs and digestive system. Next one is what? Hemophilia. So this is a genetic disorder, and those who have those who have affected by these diseases, it will take lot of time to clot our blood. If any injury is there, so continuously heavy bleeding will be there in that person. Okay, so it will take lot of time to, yes, clot our blood. So it leads to severe it leads to death. Okay, next one is what? Night blindness, that is a sight problem. Next one is sickle cell anemia. What is meant by sickle cell anemia? That also I will discuss with you later. Okay, children, and more. So these are the some genetic disorders are given in our textbook. But here in briefly we will see about albinism and sickle cell anemia. Understood, children? Yes. So children, this session we discussed about, that is what is meant by genetic disorders, and that is chromosomal abnormalities. Because of this chromosomal abnormalities, which kind of diseases can occur. That is 3 examples we discussed. That is Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, and Klinefelter syndrome. And what is the chromosomal arrangement of that, chromosomal abnormalities of that diseases, that also we discussed. Isn't it, children? Next one is introduction of monogenic disorders, also we discussed, and albinism, what is meant by albinism, what is meant by sickle cell anemia, that next session I will teach you. So children, and some more genetic disorders, that also, that name we discussed in this session. So children, you have to read your textbook. Okay, I hope you understood this one. Yes, thank you children. Sai Ram.